In this podcast, I'll talk about how technology can help students learn independently, work at their own pace, and still stay guided and motivated in our classrooms, even where internet, power, or devices are limited. My name is Kule Yofesi, a physics teacher at Mariba SS in the Rwenzori region of Uganda. One big advantage of basic digital tools like smartphones is that students can work on their own, even without internet. When learners work independently, it gives the teacher time to support others, for example, giving extra explanations to small groups or offering individual feedback. It also allows students to practice at their own speed and level. In low connectivity settings, this can be done using offline PDF worksheets shared via Bluetooth, memory cards, or WhatsApp when data is available. Simple audio instructions recorded on a phone can also guide learners without internet. For this to work well, students must clearly know what is expected from them. I give clear instructions, use a simple language, and clear learning objectives. When expectations are clear, students do not need to ask for help all the time. I can create digital content myself and reuse it many times. Students can also create content like short audio recordings, handwritten work, photographed with the phone, or simple presentations done offline. Free and low data tools include phone voice recorders for audio tasks, LibreOffice that is offline for documents and presentations, and basic phone cameras to capture students' work. Students have different levels of digital skills, but I take time to let them explore one tool at a time, give hands-on practice, and explain slowly. I avoid using many tools at the same time and keep things simple. I clearly explain how much time they have, what they need to achieve, and where to find the materials. When possible, I check progress by moving around the class or reviewing work shared on phone and support those who are struggling. Support can come from the peer helpers, short offline videos saved on phone, or WhatsApp voice notes that students can play anytime without extra explanations. Sometimes students even learn things faster than teachers. Some learners teach themselves using offline videos or shared materials. For example, some students in Uganda learn basic ICT skills and coding from videos shared on flash disks or memory cards. When guided well, technology supports problem solving, creativity, and confidence. Offline learning platforms like Colibri and downloaded YouTube videos shared locally are very useful in low connectivity environments. Independent learning is powerful, but motivation can be a challenge. One simple solution is to make progress visible. In a classroom with limited ICT, students can show progress using paper charts, exercise books, or symbols on their desks. If a projector is available, even occasionally, a teacher can show examples of good work to motivate others. Simple tools include progress charts on paper, sticker systems, or photographed completed work with a phone for group review. During distance learning or school interruptions, many students felt lost when content was shared without guidance. A learning pathway helps solve this problem. It is a clear step-by-step sequence of learning activities that can work fully offline or with minimum connectivity. It starts with clear instructions and objectives, includes different types of content like printed texts, audios, or videos, and ends with a simple feedback. In low connectivity contexts, learning pathways can be shared through printed handouts, combined with audio files on phones, or structured WhatsApp message trails sent when data is available. There are simple ways of tracking learner progress without constant internet. Teachers can collect work physically, review photos sent by students, or discuss progress during class time. This helps identify learners who need extra support and allows timely feedback. Free tools that work well include WhatsApp, that is for text, voice notes, and images, offline quizzes on paper, and simple checklists for tracking completion. Thank you for listening. I wish you a good luck with this course and with applying these ideas in your classroom. Start small, use what you already have, and focus on your learning objectives. Even with limited connectivity, technology used wisely can support inclusive, independent, and meaningful learning step by step. Yo.